Captain Danny Dog. Peppa, George and their friends are playing at Danny Dog's house. Woof! I'm a sea captain, barks Danny. I'm sailing my ship around the world. And we are jolly pirates, cries Peppa. Arr! Mummy Dog asks Danny and his friends to come outside. Mr. Zebra the postman has delivered a postcard from your daddy. He's finished his sailing trip and he's coming home, says Mummy Dog. Hooray! Cries Danny. Mummy Dog and Danny are very excited about Captain Dog coming home. I wonder when he'll be back, asks Mummy Dog. Danny and his friends hear a sound coming from the bottom of the hill. Hello! Daddy's here already, cheers Danny, racing down the hill. Hello, Danny, says Captain Dog. How long are you home for, Daddy? asks Danny. Forever, replies Captain Dog. My travelling days are over. I've sailed around the world and made my fortune. Wow! Hooray! cheers Danny. Danny and Captain Dog walk up the hill to see Mummy Dog. Mummy Dog, my sweetheart, says Captain Dog. I really missed you both when I was away, so I'm hanging up my captain's hat for good. Captain Dog takes everyone inside the house and tells them all about his travelling adventures. Wow! I've been away for a year and a day, sailing around the world, he begins. All the way around? asks Danny. Yes, replies Captain Dog. What did you do at the bottom of the world? asked Peppa. Did you fall off? asked Danny. No, says Captain Dog. I held on tightly. It was an adventure, he says proudly, imagining himself back at sea. I've brought presents for you all, says Captain Dog. Here is a drum for Danny, some seashells for all the children, wow, and a chest of gold and jewels for Mummy Dog. Oh, thank you, Captain Dog, everyone says. Oh, how lovely, cries Mummy Dog. Gold and jewels will come in very handy. The next morning, Danny and Captain Dog are up very early. I've got a boat that Grandad Dog made for me, barks Danny. You could help me sail it at the pond, Daddy. That sounds like fun, says Captain Dog. Let's get Mummy Dog and go there now. Will you be my boat's captain, Daddy? asked Danny when they arrive. I'd be delighted, Danny, says Captain Dog. Will you be my first mate? Wow. Yes, please, cheers Danny. Launch the boat, commands Captain Dog. Aye, aye, Captain, replies Danny. Peppa, George and their friends are at the duck pond too. My last adventure was sailing a boat around the world, Captain Dog tells them. My next adventure is sailing a boat across a duck pond. Captain Dog likes sailing across the duck pond. Everyone likes sailing across the duck pond. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.